In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track wallets on Axiom. So once you've created your account on Axiom and you've logged in, if you go to the bottom left hand corner, you'll see wallet, and then if you hover over it, it will appear wallet tracker. Now from here, what we can do is we can go ahead and add an external wallet, which I'll show you how to do right now. Then I'll show you how you can do it if you find someone in Axiom and you just want to quickly add their wallet as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a wallet address here. I don't really know whose this is, but we're just going to import it. I'll just put here test as the person so we know who we're tracking. We can go ahead and add that. And as you can see, that has added that wallet. Now we can go and do this for multiple wallets. I'm not sure how up to date these are. So that is one way that you can do it. And you can go ahead and manage the wallets and monitor and track the trades. Now, if you are in a coin, for example, and you want to add someone's wallet here who you may see trading, you can go ahead and click on their wallet address. You can see their P&L, their trading. And if you want to add their wallet, you go ahead and star it. It's going to then add that wallet here. Then you'll be able to see it in the wallet tracker. So here it is here. You would then be able to click scan address and you'll be able to see all of those trades from that person. And you'll also see the value of the wallet as well and the history and stuff like that. So that's how you can do it. Go ahead and have a look at that. I hope that helped.